In this guide, I'm going to show you how to hide Instagram following and followers list. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But to hide your Instagram followers and following list, open up the Instagram app first and then tap on your profile icon down in the bottom right. Obviously, make sure if you are using a personal account, if you see that professional dashboard section or your account is a business or creator account, you're going to have to switch to a personal account first. But then tap the three lines up in the top right. You're going to have to scroll down in order to do this. And you need to find account types and tools. And this is really only if you are a professional account. But go ahead and open this up and make sure that you switch to a personal account. As you can see, my account type is a personal account. So this part will not affect me specifically, but you have to be on a personal account in order to do this. From here, what you need to do is back out and just scroll up a little bit. And what you're looking for on here is account privacy. Open this up and you need to tick on private account. When your account is private, only approved followers can see your followers following post and stories. If there is someone you do not want seeing that information after you take this on, you just have to go to your following or follower list, select it for example, and then hit this little X and remove them as a follower. The best way to hide your followers is by doing this. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.